What is going on, everybody? If you didn't watch the last video, you can see here that we got somewhat of the front end on this little S13 here on. We got Devin over here flying the drone. We got Cody over here cleaning up the inside. And we got Drew over here sitting here looking pretty. It's a bad idea, but we got a little tube bender here. Bad ideas are sometimes good ideas. Today is finally the day where I'm gonna cut the fenders on the S13. It's kind of been a pain in the butt to be pushing around because the tires are rubbing, but today's the day.
All right, guys, Breck's about to ruin this perfect quarter panel.
Oh, so perfect. They're so perfect.
Let us know what you think in the comments below, but
If you comment on this video hating on me,
I'm not sure that he's gonna do a great job, but here we go.
he's just a hater.
Tool of the trade
Hater.
that we learned from last time. This will be the second video on how to fuck shit up on your Overfenders. Clearly.
I can't really see my line that I drew. Hey, your name's Drew. I can't do it. I can't do it. Hey, did you guys know that you get a free year of Disney Plus if you're with Verizon? That's pretty good to me.
Yeah. I mean, if you're blind.
Look at this, dude. There's some major body work done here.
Whoa. That was good. Whoever did it did a decent job. You didn't even know there was bondo there, I mean.
Not bad. I'm content.
Could have been better.
Yeah, I think the
Boogered. Boogered.
dude, it's gonna get welded. What is
Boogered.
Do
Boogie.
you want to buy some overs?
You guys want to see a real Overfender job? Check out the LG1 car. Ah! Stop it! Ah!
You guys are pussies.
Whoa, that is not YouTube okay.
Hey, you are what you eat, Drew!
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you guys do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. Oh.
Oh, it's already. This guy. It's already super smart.
No mames.
That's what I'm saying.
Cut it like right here. And then I can make a second cut once I have that open. What do you think about that?
I mean, is he drunk when he cut these?
Dude, I'm gonna weld over it and it's not gonna matter. Remember the plan? I remember the plan.
Does Big Daddy need to come in with the cutter?
Where's he at?
He's over there on the tractor.
Got it.
Yeah. Hey guys.
How to ruin a shit box 101.
I'm trying to fit 20 floors on here. So it really helps if I bang it out some.
Drift car or drag car?
All right, Drew, what do you think about this? You tell me.
Right now,
Yeah.
I think it'll look better once you weld it together.
Thanks. I think it will too.
Oh,
Wow. No, they drill holes and then they put a thing, they screw a thing in there and then they
It
pull
was
it
actually
out.
pretty good.
Yeah.
I gave it a 7 out of 10. Yeah, maybe like an 8.5.
man,
What do you guys think?
way smoother than the other side.
All freehand.
Oof,
Freehand, like an artist.
freehand.
I'm like an artist of the wheel well. Almost done. Probably just a little bit more smashing on this side. You can see here needs to be either brought up a little bit or we need to do some work with the welder to make it work. But essentially we're going to weld this whole seam so no dirt, water, tire smoke, debris, any of that junk gets inside the car.
Oh, we got a fire. Mom's gonna be pissed.
That and it blew through the metal.
You blew through it?
Right there.
Well, don't do that, Dave. Put this on film. This should not be documented. These are all Dave's welds. I'm just trying to clean them up. Ow, motherfucker! Burn a hole in my glove. Ow, motherfucker. Alright, it's all hammered in. Now it is time to weld her all up. So here goes nothing. Right, Cody?
Right.
What do you like?
What do I like?
Yeah, tell me what you like.
Popcorn.
Alright, just finished up welding up the second side. So there it is. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's gonna serve its purpose. It's gonna keep the smoke out of the car, hopefully, as much as it can. I think it's inevitable that smoke will get in. But other than that, water, dirt, dust, whatever it may be. So it'll serve its purpose. It's not the prettiest thing, I know. It's gonna be covered by the Overfenders that are over here sitting on the Datsun 521. It's just hanging out. So gotta pop rivet these on, and then once that's all said and done, I'll be one step closer. So I guess that's it. That's how we did it. Till next time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.